Welcome to our channel. If you need to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch to fix issues or prepare it for a new owner, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. If your watch is paired with a phone, it's recommended to unpair it first through the Galaxy Wearable app to create a backup. Step 2. On your Galaxy Watch, press the home button to go to the watch face or app screen. Step 3. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Step 4. Tap the settings gear icon to open the full settings menu. Step 5. Scroll down and tap General in the settings menu. Step 6. Scroll down to find and tap Reset near the bottom of the general settings. Step 7. Tap Factory Data Reset to begin the reset process. Step 8. Review the warning message explaining that all data will be erased and cannot be recovered. Step 9. Swipe up to scroll down and tap the checkmark or reset button to confirm. Step 10. Wait for the reset process to complete. Your watch will erase all data and restart automatically. Step 11. Once complete, your Galaxy Watch will display the welcome screen with language selection, indicating it's ready for a new setup. Step 12. If you cannot access the watch settings, you can also reset through the Galaxy Wearable app by going to Settings and selecting Reset Watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.